What is sieve of eratosthenes? Numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 23, dot dot dot. There are so many prime numbers. So is there any rule or theory to prove that a number is a prime number? Often I face this question from my students. So thought let us discuss on this topic with you all. So let's get started. What is prime numbers? If a number has its factor 1 and the number itself, that is if the number is divisible by the number and 1, only these two factors, only then it is called a prime number, and it must not have any other factor other than 1 and the number itself. So there are infinite number of prime numbers, starts from 2. Yes, 2 is also a prime number and it is even number as well. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, dot 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 dot. Most importantly, 1 is not a prime number because it does not satisfy the prime number rules and definitions. Now, do you know how many prime numbers are there below 10 million and 1000 millions? So below 10 million there are 6,64,579 prime numbers. And below 1000 million there are 5 crores 8,47,478 prime numbers. Isn't it interesting? So let us go to our next slide so that I can show you how to prove a number is prime or not. For that I have taken examples of two numbers, 73 and 74. And already I know that 73 is a prime number and 74 is not a prime number, because 74 has a factor 2 and 73 doesn't have any other factor other than 1 and 73. But how to prove it? For that the theory says, and this theory is called sieve of eratosthenes, that first find out root over of 73. Similarly, first find out root over of 74. So if we do root over of 73, it is coming near about 8.5. Near about 8.5. Here it is coming near about 8.6. Now what we have to do, we have to find out all the prime numbers less equals to 8.5. So all the numbers, if I write less than equals to 8.5, then I will cut those numbers which are not primes. So I am starting from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Similarly here as well, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now I only want the prime numbers. So 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime here, 5 is a prime here, 7 is a prime here. Similarly 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime and 7 is a prime. Now look, the theory says if 74 is divisible by any of these prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5 and 7, that is these are the numbers that is lesser than root over of 74. As you have seen that I have written only those natural numbers which are less equal to 8.6. Similarly here also I have written only those numbers who are lesser than equals to 8.5. So I am getting 74 is divisible by 2. 74 is divisible by 2. So there exists at least one prime number which is lesser than equals to 8.6 and divides 74. Hence 74 is not a prime number. Now come for 73. Root over of 73 I got 8.5. So below 8.5 the numbers, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. And I can see that 73 is not divisible by any of those prime numbers. Is not divisible by either 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. Hence 73 is a prime number. So the theory clearly says, again I am repeating, if a number is 100, then find out the square root of 100, and square root of 100 is 10. So 10, below 10, whatever the prime numbers are, 100 must be divisible by any of these primes. Then it is not a prime number, composite number. Otherwise it is a prime number. That's all for today. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.